So what advantages of having a hosting service that converts your WordPress website into a static file? 1, it's fast. 2, it's more secure. There's no SQL injections, no cross-site scripting, and there's also no WordPress login for hackers to attempt to log in. Disadvantages: no dynamic contacts, such as your contact forms and comments won't work, but there are workarounds to this. And the information hasn't changed. Your dates, images, etc. will stay the same until you update. It's great for small businesses, organizations, schools, non-profits, anything that needs a brochure or online business card for web presence. Let's look at Shifter, the website for Shifter, serverless static web host WordPress hosting. Okay, you can read the features that they provide. Click to start. Really simple. They have a free version, I believe. Quick overview. They provide HTTP2 SSL certificate. The free tier for one site. You can try it out. And they have other options, but I suggest trying the free version first. What they do is, once you have your website in WordPress, it converts it to a static site for people to view, and it hides your WordPress files. Now let's take a look at another WordPress static site generator hosting service provider, Hardypress. And they claim almost up to 10 times faster speed. Has security because there's no database to hack. And what they support is Contact Form 7, because as you know, without PHP in a static site, you will have problems using a contact form, but they provide a way of using it. And the ability to use front-facing dynamic plugins. Now, the prices here are in the euros. The personal site, which is €4 is equivalent to about $4.41. $20 equivalent to $22 in American money. Personal site, it gives a breakdown of each option that you have available to you. I believe there's a trial version that you can try first. Hardypress, another viable option for you to try. Now let's take a look at a Strattic, which converts your WordPress site to a static site in one click. Okay, a quick overview. They provide a CDN, pre-rendering, HTTP2, SSL certificate. It talks about their vulnerability protection, and to use this services you have to submit a request, because it is a beta invite, and you just have to fill in some information here of why you're using it and what website that you are planning to use, your domain. In any case, I did check this out, and the only thing is they are quite pricey. So you may ask, how do I edit and maintain my WordPress site? Well, you're provided with a special staging area where your WordPress files are staged, and you work on it like any WordPress website. And when you are completed, you hit a special publish button and your files are deployed to your domain automatically. In the meantime, your WordPress site is dormant and hidden from anyone to see it.